As a general rule, there are basically 4 ways to avoid a criminal conviction. The first is to convince the prosecutor that his case is weak and have him dismiss the case. The second would be to file a motion to suppress, have it granted, resulting in suppression of all the necessary evidence, and therefore the charge would be dismissed. The third would be to go to trial and have a jury of your peers find you not guilty. The fourth, and probably the most common way, is to enter into what is called a plea in abeyance. Pursuant to Utah law, a court can only enter a plea in abeyance on both joint motion of the defense and the prosecution. The way a plea in abeyance works is you may enter a plea of guilty or no contest to some or all of the charges that have been brought against you. However, rather than entering the convictions on your record, the court will place you on probation pursuant to a plea in abeyance agreement negotiated between your attorney and the prosecutor. Oftentimes, the plea in abeyance agreement includes probation, community service, counseling, fines and fees, and other factors that could be negotiated by the parties. The benefit of a plea in abeyance is that if you comply, you have a contract with you and the prosecutor approved by the judge that says if you've completed X, Y, and Z as agreed, you are guaranteed to have your case dismissed upon successful completion of the probation and the filing of an appropriate motion by your defense attorney. However, if you fail to complete the terms of the plea in abeyance successfully, the court may violate your plea in abeyance, enter the conviction, and you could be sentenced accordingly. If you want to avoid a conviction, you need a knowledgeable and skillful defense attorney who can either negotiate a deal that will avoid a suspension or a conviction, or to find a defense to your case. If you've been charged with a crime, please contact our office at 801-579-0600 to schedule a free, no-obligation consultation to discuss your case with one of our knowledgeable and skillful criminal defense attorneys.